Okay, I'm gonna make a video about doing the water change, and I think I just did a video not long ago, but I changed the water, I think Saturday, so here it goes. This is how I normally do it. I think you can see that. And I haven't fed him today, so I'm just do that after I change his water. And I don't know what you're supposed to do with him when you change water. Do whatever you want with him. You can put him in a different container. I have crickets in my other container, so changing filters on my AC today. He doesn't even hop out. And what you can do is remember, you're not supposed to touch him. I have a headache because I'm drinking the wrong kind of coffee. Get coffee maker. I don't really rinse out the thing. I don't clean it or anything, so this process goes from these in there when I supposed to put 2 inches of water, or like twice his body length or something. I don't really know. This is only an inch. That's okay. Oh, that is a mosquito. Probably just get that out. Frog has salmonella, so you really, it's like handling raw chicken, so we don't want to pour it in your sink, but I do. You're supposed to wash your hands, but I don't. There you go. So, do that. You can, this is a moth, this is just, don't really have experience with moths, so I'm gonna, what I'd like to do is get like a piece of wood and just set this on it, but I don't have one of those right now. There. And I got crickets in there, so I'm gonna do that. that? See, I just rinsed that off. There's chlorine on that. It'll probably drip into the tank, but it's and dry. There. Frog. It's gotten a little bigger. But yeah, is that? Really not much else to do with it. Just maybe. Maybe that accessory or something. And probably hide. And I haven't dusted the crickets. So I think what I'm going to do is just put some calcium in the water. Which probably ain't as good as dusting, but just toss that right on him. Hope it doesn't. I like to put these pellets in there because that's what it came with. And there's like, they gave me like a lifetime supply. And these pellets are made out of, what are they made out of? Like, oh great, there's a rip in the bag. They're made out of like algae or something, I don't really know. Coffee maker would be nice. A single, it's a Black & Decker, I like Black & Decker. Single serve with a coffee mug. Travel mug, whatever. Let me see if I can get him to move. I'm running out of time. I was just gonna mention that the exploding frog thing is when a crow takes the like the liver out of a live frog, and then his diaphragm just expands until he explodes. So they have a lot of predators